Cooler gang. We're gonna push this back a little. You know, it doesn't push with you guys on it. You have to get off. Can you get off so I can push that over there? Can you get off? Can you get off? Can you get off? Anyone? Sadie says she's laying down on the job. That's Chester. That's Precious. Ladies over there. Right there is Snuggles, Sophie, Teddy, Emily, and Mr. Black. They're all helping their mom. Not a lot, but it's a lovely concept. No, we're not playing in that. That's going to the trash. I have no idea how long you keep somebody else's potatoes. They're running. And I just did pears in the microwave. I'm sorry, not pears. Plums. Stewed plums, yay! Leave this stuff there alone, unless you're going to throw it out for me. No! Don't help. She's the most unhelpful person you know. Okay, I just wanted you to see the Saturday gang helping Mom put away the groceries. Chester, I said no. Hey, Sherry, what was in that big bag you left? I have no idea. Never mind. Anyway, okay, isn't Teddy pretty? You have a lovely day.